Resware and Certified Payoff Protect have been integrated to streamline your team's workflow and expedite payoffs. When validating payoff wiring instructions in Certified, you can now link your Resware file number and the contact information associated with that file will be pulled in automatically. Here's how it works. After linking the Resware file, you can choose the borrower associated with the file from the drop-down menu. Then, the contact information will be filled in for you. Simply complete the remaining fields and hit Submit. Certified will then validate the payoff wiring instructions and provide a status. Receiving a certified status indicates that this is a valid and safe lender payoff account. The final status PDF will be automatically uploaded to the Resware file. You can review and download it directly from Resware. We're thrilled to offer this integration, which simplifies payoff verification and reduces the chance of human error. In addition to securing payoffs, Resware and Certified also integrate to securely send, collect, and confirm bank details. For more, visit certified.com and request a demo.